Hey y'all, good morning. I'm just I've been going through some recipes, trying to figure out some recipes that I think y'all would love and enjoy making. And I always like for them to be delicious, but I like for them to be on the easy side too. We have enough challenges when we walk out our front door every day. And so I want to help you not be so challenged in your kitchen with stress and strife and trying to figure out what to cook. So there's some wonderful recipes in here, but I think I have decided on a banana caramel cheesecake pie. And this was in one of my magazines, and who doesn't love banana and a caramel sauce and cream cheese? So that's what we're gonna do today. And I'm gonna get started, y'all, by making my crust. And these are Biscoff cookies that have been crumbled, and you know they are so good. So very, very good. Isn't this like the one that they serve on the airplanes?
It is.
And I love those. I love those cookie crackers. I don't know what they're, but they are so good. So I'm gonna add some sugar, since those cookies might not be sweet enough. And I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt. And then we're gonna bake this for, usually when I'm doing any kind of like graham cracker crust, I usually bake it off for 7, 8, 9 minutes, something like that, just so it can mold together and hold its shape. All right, I'm gonna spray this so hopefully our pie will come out easy. So we're just gonna press this in here and up the sides. And you wanna give it some elbow grease. You wanna make sure that it's molded together real good, firm, firm, firm. 350, 8 to 10 minutes. I hope that y'all will try this recipe and really like it, because it's so simple, so quick to do. Now I've got 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese plus half of another 8-ounce. So what is that, 12 ounces? If I can still add and subtract. All right, so it's at room temperature. So I'm gonna beat it until it's smooth. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add like a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're at the bottom on this. Eddie and I have been saying we got to get back on our vanilla making. All right, now I'm gonna add our confectionate sugar. Now we're gonna beat in our heavy cream. Because it's heavy cream, it kind of wanted to stick to the side, so I'm gonna get everything owed us. All right, and now I'm gonna add my sour cream. Now when our crust is completely baked for the 8 or 10 minutes, we've got to totally let that cool before we can add our filling. Can't put it in a hot crust. Okie doke. Now we've got our bananas, and we're just gonna fold those in to our cream. And I really like doing it this way because, bananas can turn dark on you. So I like that I'm mixing them with my custard. Maybe that'll help protect them from getting dark too quick. Plus, we're going to freeze this. When you get it all made, goes in the freezer. And so you just need a little planning. You couldn't think at 5 o'clock, oh, I'm going to make that dessert. That'd be a little late for a dinner dessert. But so you just have to plan a little ahead. So we're going to put this aside until our crust is cooled off. And then we'll be finished. Wait, except for the caramel sauce. Who is ready for banana caramel cheesecake pie? I am. All right, so our crust is cooled. And now I'm going to put our filling into our cooled shell. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, now y'all are saying, where's the caramel? I thought this was a banana caramel pie. Well, it's coming, honey. It's coming. Now you can make your own caramel, or you can make your life easier by using the caramel topping. And I'm just gonna drizzle this all over the pie. Yum. So now I'm going to take it and I'm just going to swirl it through the custard. Now for presentation, look how pretty that is. You like that, Eddie?
Mm-hmm. It's nice.
So what you thinking, 4 or 5 hours I'm going to have to wait to put my teeth in this pie?
Yes, ma'am.
Rats. Look at that pie, y'all. It's not near about frozen. But you know what? I just wanted y'all to be able to sample this pie. I swear I have forgotten how good it is. It is delicious. Wow, Cabal. To me, y'all, it's almost as good, not frozen. I mean, it's good and cold, but oh, those Biscoff cookies make the best crust. Michael! He's going to try this. How about you, Teresa and Eddie? Y'all ready for a bite? It is out of this world and easy peasy. Just have to do a little planning ahead if you're going to get it froze. Love and best dishes, y'all. Oh, that banana is so good. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.